Right, next we're going to bring in a piece of our Stampin' Up! Glossy cardstock, and again just pick up a few of the colours. This time I'm going to do some of the blue. You don't have a lot of control where the colour goes, but I think that's some of the part of the magic. That was the green. I'm going to use all of the colours this time. Some yellow. But I am trying to be careful not to put the different powders one on top of the other, just so that I've got the difference of colour. Now a little bit of the red. The red is very vibrant, so I don't want the red to overtake any of the other colours. A little bit down there. And finally some orange. So I can see where the powder is falling, so I'm just putting the other colours just in different spots. A little bit more up there so that I've got most of the glossy cardstock covered. Just moving my colours out of the way because I don't want to spritz them, otherwise they will get moist inside the containers. So now I'm just holding my aqua painter quite high up away from the paper, and wow, just spritzing over the top. A bit more colour because I just want a little bit more water. I just want those colours to blend in a little bit more. So now I'm going to leave that to dry, and again see what it comes out like. Every time that you do any of these techniques, they will always come out differently, and if you're teaching it in a class or wanting to teach it in a class, everyone's will be totally different. But that's the beauty of this particular product.